मला सांगायला आनंद वाटतो की यावर्षी जवळपास ऐतिहासिक असा निकाल मिळालेला आहे। याच्यामध्ये 483 विद्यार्थी या परीक्षेमध्ये प्रविष्ट झाले होते, बसलेले होते। त्यापैकी 482 विद्यार्थी उत्तीर्ण झालेले आणि एक विद्यार्थी त्याच्यामध्ये अनुत्तीर्ण झालेला आहे। टोटल शेकडा निकाल हा 99.79% विद्यालयाचा या ठिकाणी लागलेला आहे 2020चा। त्याच्यामध्ये 52 विद्यार्थी हे 90% पेक्षा जास्त मार्क घेऊन उत्तीर्ण झाले। त्याचबरोबर आपण जेव्हा परभणी जिल्ह्याचा पूर्ण निकालाचा ज्यावेळेस अभ्यास करतोय, एकट्या सोनपेठ तालुक्यामधून डिस्टिंक्शनमध्ये 75%च्या वरती मार्क घेणारे 215 विद्यार्थी आणि जवाहर विद्यालयाचे डिस्टिंक्शनमध्ये आलेले 254 विद्यार्थी आहेत। हेही सांगायला आम्हाला आनंद वाटतो। तर विद्यार्थ्यांनी असं घवघवीत यश संपादन केलेले आहे, त्याबद्दल सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचं विद्यालयाकडून, संस्थेकडून, सर्व शिक्षक बांधवांकडून हार्दिक हार्दिक अभिनंदन। त्याचबरोबर विद्यालयामधून प्रथम येण्याचा बहुमान यावर्षी कुमारी रुपाली गजानन शिरनाथ या विद्यार्थिनीने मिळवलेला आहे। तिने
10th board examination. I have scored 98.20% in this year. I was totally unexpected about this great achievement. I really haven't thought about this achievement. First of all, I would like to mention that I had joined this school, means Jawahar Vidyalaya Jintur, in class 5th. From 5th class, I got a really very good and experienced teacher staff. I was not aware about this success. From 5th, I got a lot of guidance from many teachers, and my colleagues too and my friends too were included in it. Jawahar Vidyalaya Jintur is really a good platform for any student, because here very good platform is given to each and every student in not only in studies but also in social gatherings, games, etc. Here I am not really expected about this success. This is the first, and I definitely can say my teachers and my parents really thought that I would achieve this success, but I was not expected, because I was generally an average student from 5th to 10th class. I really never explained, and I am unable to explain what I feel today, because this is the base of my education. In further years, I will give my best and really prove to my parents and teachers that I will prove their confidence about me. I will always let them be proud of me. I will never be them. I will never make them fail. I would never let them feel bad about me, because each and every student in life tries to make parents and teachers proud, because this is the first and last job that we should do. In students' life, we always think about that we should play, we should enjoy in our surroundings and these all things. But the main thing is that we should study a lot. Here I would like to mention that I got 98.2% in board examination because of my parents and teachers' guidance. Our teacher staff was too good. Every time we were given by a lot of exams, we suffered a lot of hard works. Here I would like to mention that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quotation: if you desire intensely and think about what you want to achieve or about your goal, the God is always with you, and you will get a lot of success which you never had expected and dreamed.
Tell something about your inspiration, from whom you get.
My mom, because whenever I was studying I was studying at night, she would always be awake with me at 11, 12, 1 p.m. because she was caring a lot about me, because I told her, and she is always not uneasy, and because she is always tired of school. She is a ZPPS teacher, and she gives a lot to her students. That's why I am at this stage. She never thought about her child that I would be at this stage. She always honestly gave her students the best. That's why the God gave me the best result and made her proud for me.
Okay, any one teacher tell something about one teacher who guidance.
Yes, I got a lot of guidance about my school principal B.K. Vatani sir. He always guides us about what should we do in our students' life, and he always inspires us to be motivated and enthusiastic always. He guides us a lot in daily school preamble or school time. We firstly come to school and then we have prarthana and other things, and at last he gives us a lot of guidance and moral things in our day-to-day life. He told us how to live, and I followed his guidance and made him proud for our school, because our school is a good platform for any student. Here we got a lot of things and a lot of pleasures in the school time.
Something other activities.
Other activities like games, traditional programs, gatherings, arts and science. Here we had a practical lab in this year for science experiment. There we had a lot of happy moments in there, and for last year we had completed 50 years of our school. There he had arranged our principal had arranged a lot of big traditional gathering there, and we enjoyed a lot about this.
Tell something about your future plan.
Future plannings are not confirmed, because generally all the students are going in medical and engineering aspects. Here I want to mention that only those two fields are not here. Means we have a lot of aspects and a lot of goals, career options here. We must not follow only those that medical is to in this 5 to 10 years, medical is being a lot of more trading faculty. There we should start our career. Means a lot of people are thinking when you are entered in medical, then you will be a successful, and in medical and in engineering also. But here I want to give a unique way that when I will take 10 plus 2 in general, then I would have a lot of future options and a lot of future ways to do best in the future. Really, I had never thought about this, but this is the first stage. This is the very first stage, and I always will tell my parents and my teachers too that from nursery to 10th, all the teachers and my parents are responsible for my success. They had a great credit about my success. Here I only did by following their guidance. But the main thing is that from nursery to 10th, whoever students I got, whoever teachers I got, means my friends and my teachers, both of them told me a lot of things about life, especially in our school from 5th to 10th. I was in Jawahar Vidyalaya Jantur from 5th to 10th. Here social gatherings and always other things were too, and mainly our principal was a great inspirational identity for me, because he told us many things about our life, and I would like to thank him for this great guidance and always be thankful for him and my parents.
माझे नाव वैभवराम प्रसाद भारती. मी जवाहर माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय जिंतूर या विद्यालयाचा विद्यार्थी असून मी माझे शिक्षण 10वीपर्यंतचे माझे सर्व शिक्षण या विद्यालयात पूर्ण केलेले आहे. नुकत्याच लागलेल्या 10वीच्या बोर्डाच्या निकालात मी 96% गुण मिळवले आहेत. या यशामागे माझे आईवडील, शाळेचे प्रशासकीय अधिकारी KD वटाणे साहेब, तसेच मुख्याध्यापक BK वटाणे साहेब आणि माझे सर्व गुरुजन वर्ग यांचा मोलाचा वाटा आहे. मी यांचा मनापासून ऋणी राहील आणि माझ्या पुढील शैक्षणिक वर्षामध्ये मी असेच यश संपादन करण्याचा मनापासून प्रयत्न करीन. मी पुनश्च माझ्या शाळेतील सर्व शिक्षकांचे मनापासून ऋण व्यक्त करतो आणि मी इथून पुढच्या शैक्षणिक वर्षामध्ये असेच यश संपादन करीन व माझ्या गुरुजन वर्गाचा मी मनापासून ऋणी राहील. या शाळेत माझं बालपणापासून मी या शाळेत शिकत आलेलो आहे. या शाळेत मला कसं वागायचं, कसं शिकायचं आणि कसं जगायचं याचे धडे मिळाले. मी आमच्या विद्यालयाचे मुख्याध्यापक BK वटाणे सर यांचा मनापासून ऋणी आहे की त्यांनी आम्हाला व मला असे मार्गदर्शन केले. तसेच माझे आईवडील यांनीही मला लहानपणापासून मार्गदर्शन केले. मी यांचाही मनापासून ऋणी आहे. तसेच शाळेतील कर्मचारी वर्ग, कांबळे मामा, इतर कर्मचारी वर्ग यांनी मला वेळोवेळी मदत केली. तसेच माझ्या अडचणीच्या वेळेत माझे वर्ग शिक्षक तसेच माझे विषय शिक्षक यांनी माझ्या वेळोवेळी अडचणी दूर केल्या. यांचाही मी मनापासून ऋणी आहे. जवाहर विद्यालयात मी आतापर्यंत जेवढं काही शिकलो ते सर्व या विद्यालयाचीच ही मला देण आहे. या विद्यालयाने मला ही दिलेली देण मी माझ्या जीवनामध्ये कायम लक्षात ठेवीन व इथून पुढेही मी असेच वागेन. मी माझे यश संपादन करण्याचा मी सतत प्रयत्न करत राहील. मी कधीही माझा मार्ग बदलणार नाही. जसे की मला माझ्या शिक्षक तसेच मुख्याध्यापक यांनी मार्गदर्शन व जे संस्कार दिले ते मी कायम ठेवील.